also known as Friday Eve. Got a little frog in my throat. Wake up, wake up. My coffee's still very hot, but I desperately need it. So I already have my foundation and nope, words aren't coming out today. I have my foundation, my contour, my eyebrows done, my blush on, because for today's video I want to focus on just my eyes. I want to do another pride look. Yesterday's was okay. Okay, it was okay. I used the Morphe palettes. They're great for their own purposes, but I felt like my yellow, my orange, my red didn't pop. It was all about that dark blue. So we're gonna use all Farmasi today. I don't have green eyeshadow, but I have this. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner as an eyeshadow today. Yeah. So before we get into that, giveaway. So if you haven't seen one of these videos yet for the whole, nope. Yep. You're welcome. For the whole month of June, if you watch my videos and you like or heart them and then share the video to your own page, and then go back to that original video and comment shared, you'll be entered into a drawing for these two beauties. So this is a Long Last Creamy Eyeshadow in Pink Glow. It's a nice neutral, soft color. Anyone can use it. And then this is the 3-in-1 face palette. I won't open it today. It has a powder contour, a powder highlighter, and a blush. All the things that you need, you know, for your face, aside from foundation and stuff. But if you're not a foundation person, boom. Let's get started. So, let's see. I'm going to use the Creamy Eyeshadow Orange Pop as my orange. So I'm going to put that down first and then go back with the Pineapple Pigment to do my yellow. So I'm excited about this look. It's basically going to be, well, it's going to be very similar to yesterday's, you know, but different. The same but different. So I'm just going to go in right basically at my brow bone with this orange pop. And I love these creamy eyeshadows. They are so easy to use. You just dip your brush in, go boop boop, and then start blending it out. Yeah, this is much better pigmentation than the G10 palette that I wanted. I just couldn't get the color out of it. It's more of a pastel palette than they've had in the past, which is beautiful, but I want something intense. So we're gonna use Farmasi today. I wish I had one of the green Farmasi eyeshadows. I have it on order, the pigment. I don't know why I didn't order it when I got all of these. I must have missed it. I was not prepared. Okay, so how are we doing here? Okay, we're gonna make this one a little bit more intense. Okay. I like that. All right, so that was the orange pop. Now, because that was creamy, I controlled my fallout, but I'm gonna go in and do my trick just because I might get a little crazy with these pigments. Who knows? Who knows? It's Friday Eve, people. Let me tell you, I'm not live again. I have had so many issues with my computer and internet, like I can't. I should be getting my new router by the end of today, which should alleviate and eliminate all of this sketch internet I've been having. But then my work computer just lost its mind yesterday, and I spent the whole morning trying to trying to plug into just the wired Ethernet. I was gonna go downstairs, plug into my router and all that just with Ethernet, and it could not for the life of it recognize an Ethernet connection. And I tried all the troubleshooting, all sorts of things. And then in doing that, then it's like I gave the computer a stroke and it just started being crazy. So I had to straight up factory reset my Mac yesterday. That just took forever because it requires internet. So it was a great day. I get to work this weekend because I have to make up time for that. It's just crazy. So now I have the Pineapple Pigment in the cap, see? and a flat brush. Just to help with that fallout, we're just gonna press it in above the orange pop. Yup. And then we're gonna blend with a fluffy brush. Relatively clean one. There's one. I will do a video on how to clean your brushes because I need to clean mine. It's important that you clean them, and I used to be really bad about this. Yep, I really like that. It's important you clean them, like deep clean them, like once a week. There are like spray ones or whatever that you can do in the interim, you know, like just to clear off the brush palette if you need it. But once a week, you gotta get that stuff out. And because it can just, you know, harbor bacteria and stuff like you're putting on your face every day. Just keep them clean. It helps the longevity of the brush. I'm just messing up my eyebrows like crazy. And, you know, it just helps keep your face cleaner. Like, don't be putting gnarly stuff back on your face. Okay, so we've got our yellow, we've got our orange. Yellow, orange. I'm really digging this. Like, every Thursday we have a work call. And, excuse me, I don't do it on purpose, but like every Thursday I end up having kind of intense makeup looks, and that's fine. I'm gonna embrace it. So then I'm gonna grab the 05 palette Vintage Season, because there's this fabulous red in it. There is the red glow creamy, but I'm going powder with this one. So I'm just gonna take a medium fluffy brush, and that we're just gonna do kind of over here, I think, like in the corner. Because we kind of did it backwards, but I didn't want red up on top. Kind of replicating that pride flag, but I did it a little out of order, which is fine. Red, orange, yellow. And then we'll just do green, blue, purple. Okay. This one needs to be a little bit more intense. Over smear. Okay. Now, friends. Now, eyeliner as eyeshadow. I just about threw that into my eyeball. Just need to back off being so dramatic this morning. Not a good morning for it. So you literally just paint on your eye with the eyeliner. We're gonna do a harsh line there. Now I'm going to take just a flat brush and just kind of feather out that edge. No bub, but you are fine, knock it off. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. Bubba do, you are fine. I promise, Oscar, you're fine. Okay. I'm gonna go in a little, no, done with that for now. Now I'm going to grab my blue pigment, and we're gonna do that, I think, on the rest of the lid and do purple below again, but we'll see. Okay, so this will work. I'm gonna go in with kind of a, this one is M456, so M456 is a mini firm blending brush. That's what I'm gonna go in with, a mini firm blending brush. This is a nice blue color, I like it. Oh, there's a little baby squirrel outside, cute. Sorry, I get distracted easily, clearly. Okay, so that's our blue. Now our green is more turquoise, but that's all I have, friends. Like, I don't even have a good green in any of my Morphe palettes because The only green they put in the Pride one this year is a glitter, so we'll just have to put that on. But no actual like green eyeshadow. Come on, help a girl out. This looks just wow. Okay, and now for purple. Since I'm going under the eye, I'm gonna grab this little brush, 431. I always forget what this one's called. The Precision Pencil Crease Brush. We're gonna dip it into our purple pigment. Bub, you're fine. And not make a mess. We're gonna try not to make a mess. I'm going to get rid of that. I mean, it's not like this is gonna last very long because my eyes water anyway. Just gonna cry it off. We're gonna go up and around to meet that green. Make a weird face while I do it. Poke my eye out while I do it. That was nice. Oh, Bubby. I swear you're fine. Okay, and now I'm feeling just a plain black, no winging today. Like, I want this to be a little bit more just right in here. No winging. Okay. What am I doing? I don't even know. Black line for some definition. I'm going to put the metallic sapphire on my waterline again. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the G10 palette, or 10G, I was gonna call it G10. Shh, you're fine. We're gonna grab a firm brush and we're gonna grab this green glitter. Pack that on that teal color. Yep. And we're gonna go back, flip it over. We're gonna go into the blue glitter. We're gonna pack that on our blue. Kinda. This glitter's gonna just be all over my face for days, I'm sure. Okay, yep. Pride. So, mascara time. And then a quick lippy and we'll get out of here. All right, so I'm going in, then mascara. Just real quick. Do a nice coat on my lashes. Okay, mascara is on. Let's do, I think I want to do the bubblegum, it's not called bubblegum pink, it's called Pink Club. But I think I want to do Pink Club again today. So we're not going to overline, we're just going to throw some on. Okay, our look is done. Now to get my day started, I'm going to grab some Gully gummies. I'm not going to throw them in my mouth while I'm on video because it takes forever for me to chew them. But these are fantastic. I love these for a little boost of energy with the vitamin B12 that's in them. They're a full shot of apple cider vinegar. So you get all the benefits of that without that disgusting taste. Oscar, oh my goodness. They are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, and unfiltered. I still haven't found out what the unfiltered means, but I dig them. I'll put a link for 5% off discount code in the description of this video as well. So thank you for hanging out with me while I did my Pride look and listening to Oscar sass me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.